In this video, I'll show you how to set up a demo account on TradingView for free. Click the link in the description to follow along. You'll be redirected to the website. To create an account, click on Get Started and then Sign Up. You can sign up using your Google or Facebook account, or create a new account using your email address. I'll create a new account using my email. Once you've entered your email address and password, check the box to confirm you're not a robot, choose a username, and click Create Account. A reactivation link will be sent to your email address. Click on the link to activate your account. After activating your account, you'll be asked to enter some basic information, such as your name. Once you've completed these steps, your demo account will be created. You can now access TradingView's features, including tracking markets and launching charts. That's it. Make sure to click the link in the description to start using TradingView for free, no credit card required. Using my special link below, if you decide to upgrade to a premium account, you'll automatically get $15 added to your account.